I built this automated n8n workflow for one single reason, that to ensure I'd never ever miss another tech trend again, like OpenClaw or ClawdBot recently. So, every single day the workflow actually reads the GitHub latest trending GitHub repos. So it filters out every single noise that we have out there and drop the top three, you know, workflows into our Slack. So let me just show you the demo first, and after that, I can explain you how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. Okay, now let us test the workflow. So I'm just going to execute the workflow. And if everything goes well, we will be receiving a Slack message right here. So let us also verify it. Perfect. This is the Slack message that we simply received, and this is just a casting of my phone. So yeah, everything works well. Okay, now let me just explain you how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. So firstly, we will trigger this particular workflow every single day, and after that, we will give the set of programming languages that we are interested in to look at GitHub repositories and minimum stars and top, and which was nothing but how many top repositories you wanted to deliver into your Slack channel after that, and daily based on the daily stars, okay? And after that, we will be actually splitting those, combined languages into individual languages out of all these options from the config node. And after that, we will be use this particular HTTP request and grab the trending repositories from each of these particular languages that we simply gave to the system. So it will give us some random systems out there. So after that, the response will be completely in HTML. So for that reason, we simply use this particular property to actually grab the data into a structured form. And after that, we will be simply, split out, from these particular structured data to repo blocks. So, and after that, we'll actually clean all the data and, return like this. Just a second. Written like this, structured data out there. So after that, we will actually verify whether the repository actually, you know, satisfies our minimum stars requirement. And after that, we will check whether the repository is archived or not. It's because some repos can be also visible in the trending page, but at the same time it can be also become archived. So for that reason, we just have to filter them too. So after that, you know, we will grab all the things into an edit node, and this is the star item right here, starts today, and the whole trending and the whole noise will be filtered by this thing. So after that, we'll actually filter the data using that particular starts today information in a descending order, so that the first, I mean, so that the top three repositories by starts will be actually extracted out of it, and after that, we will be limiting those things to the top three only, and after that, we will be combining the data and after this, we will actually you know, build a Slack message out of it in this particular Reddit node, and we will blindly simply send it to the Slack channel out here. So, yeah, this is how the data will actually flow from node to node, from the beginning to the ending. So, yeah,